grab the upper hand once again, pero hindi. Supply ang unang free throw for the most they can hope for is a tie.
But this is a good quarter for Pure Foods. Kahit ano pa mangyari sa quarter na to, no? Dahil they have bounced back from 11 points down. Tabla tayo ngayon at 43 all.
Alam mo, Barry, ang Pure Foods at Talking Text, 6 na beses na naglalaban ng out of town yan. Diba?
Hindi ba sila? Oo.
Ever since, in the history of the PBA, never pa nanalo ang Talking Text sa Pure Foods, diba?
Yeah.
Sa out of town game, ha?
Nako! Ano sinasabi mo?
Ano natin mamaya? Malalaman natin.
Nalalaman natin mamaya kung
Pero
magpapatuloy yan.
it looks good for them now. Lumalamang pa sila dito sa first half. Tingnan natin kung kaya nila i-break yung losing streak to Pure Foods in the Talking Text as far as out of town games are concerned. Don Aliado at the line, former LaSalle Green Archer, main man. MVP.
Sila, magkakampi sila hindi naman magkakampi. Sama sila sa eskwela ni Algat, ni Ritualo, ni Cardona, yung coach nila. Yun dati ang coach niya, no, ni Aliado. Si Manong Derek.
Manong Derek, right. Another foul committed by the Talking Text Wolfpack. And since penalty nga, if to the line na naman, si John na naman ang pupunta ngayon. Nagtataka si Yancy. Ano ba ginawa ko?
Nako.
Hinamalas.
Si ano lang, si Raimundo lang ang consistent sa flawless sa free throw line.
On the Salvador second free throw. Is good. Para rin sa Pure Foods TJ Giants. 46-44 ang ating score. 2-point lead for Talking Text. Kyrie walang mapuntahan. Ito si Yancy Tonalado tumanggap. Sige na, desperation, a long shot doon, walang nangyari. Rebound ni Jordan, and they're looking at the clock. And the crowd chanting out. Para kay James Duff dito. They pass it into the middle, they drop it in. Very patient play para sa Pure Foods.
And they tie the ball game. At 46 all. Papasok na.
And Renren misses, pero he made 5 of those earlier. Pero ang napaka-patient ng Pure Foods TJ Giants in the play before this to get that basket. Diba? Bago matapos ang ating first half, eh nakahirit pa ang Pure Foods. So tabla ang ating score at the half 46.
Wala pa rin 46 all. Back to the start. Mangyayari dito for the second half. Itong Pure Foods, after trailing early, was able to come back, lead for a while. Pero itong Talking Text naman, bumalik din. And at the end of it all, tabla sila 46 all. The deadlock. And as we saw, una-una nagdo-dominate itong Talking Text. Pure Foods was able to come back because of defensive intensity. At ang statistics natin at halftime will show that Pure Foods was able to get much more rebounds. But the problem was, itong Talking Text naman was able to convert a lot of offensive, three-point shots and offensive rebounds. Diba?
Right. Nakikita natin dito, itong Talking Text, magandang arangkada sa umpisa, leading by 11 points at the end of the first quarter, 27-16. Pero rumatsada naman itong Pure Foods to tie it up. Ito makikita natin, field goal percentage, Talking Text with 38 and Pure Foods with 33. Sa rebounds, angat itong Pure Foods, ang daming second chance points ng Giants, 37-28. Pero yung assist, ang ganda ng pinapakita ng Talking Text, 17. Very unselfish. No phone fouls as against 5 itong Giants.
And a lot of those assists ng Talking Text came in the first quarter where they were able to dominate and lead by 11 points sa pagtapos ng ating first quarter. Leading scorers naman natin for the two teams ay yung mga comebacking from the national team. Kita-kita natin.
Ritualo and Kirby Raimundo facing their respective ball clubs. Ito naman si Ritualo being supported by Harvey Curry and Donald Yado, the two big guys underneath stamping their classes sa Edith area. James Sharp only with 6 points and Mark Pingris with 6 points. Yep, far cry from yung 17 first half points against Santa Lucia Realty.
Makikita natin sa dating ng second half whether Pure Foods or Talking Text, who will be the first one to flinch dito sa second half. Tied at the half. We'll come back for second half action.
We're about to start second half action. This is the PBA on tour from Dumaguete City. Talking Text and Pure Foods all tied up dito sa ating pag-umpisa ng second half, Barry.
Well, itong Pure Foods outscored Talking Text 30-19 sa ating second quarter to level up at 46 all. Even led by 5 points, ano?
Ito, jumper ni Roger Yap and to start the festivities sa ating second half. 2-point basket agad to si Roger Yap.
Kailangan na ipasok niya yun eh. Dahil mati 3 seconds yung mga kasama. Lumabas na nga yung dalawa from the shaded area.
So si Renren, who's waxing hot sa ating first half. 5 3-pointers para sa kanya. Asi Taulava, been quiet. Si Asi at si Jimmy Alapag hindi pa gumagawa para sa token deck. At tuloy pa rin ang pagmintis ito si Jimmy Alapag. Roger Yap wants to challenge the two.
You see the control, ano? The control nitong si Roger Yap. Slicing through two token deck defenders.
Saka talagang ito si Roger Yap, nobody intimidates him eh. Diba kahit dalawa yung defender, nakita niya eh, ay, Alapag, mas malaki ako dyan, Ritualo, mas malakas ako dyan, kaya ko i-split yung depensa, and he gets the foul. Kanyang unang free throw, pasok yan. It's Roger Yap came up with one of the highlights of the first half, ang kanyang spectacular play to tie the game. 3-point play ang nangyari dito sa ating second quarter.
Right, at ito, lamang ng tatlo itong Pure Foods at 49-46. Hindi po umi-score ang token text dito, ha?
Carey, who played a good first half. So si Asi makes his move, going in. Pasok! Ang kanyang tira yun. Nilarinig siguro tayo, sinasabi natin, wala pa sa pasado nagagawa. Ayun.
Well, ganun nga dapat gawin ito si Asito Laba. Muscle his way inside.
Ngayon nasa free throw line for the bonus attempt. There's a strong move. Kita-kita natin yung foul. Ito
Si Romel Adukol.
Si Romel, and pasok pa ang free throw ni Asito Olap to complete the 3-point play. And once again, Natito Olap at 49.
Right, so both teams settling down after the yung first half natin eh. Game of sports yung nangyari dun eh.
Here's Kirby. Jumper from the right side. Tatong malakasan. Romel Adukol gets the offensive rebound.
Sayang, hindi pa tinira eh, no?
And
Kaya taas ng kamay si Romel. Sorry, dapat tinira ko na eh.
kasi ano eh, he already decided to pass nung tinawag yung foul. So side court him ball lang mangyayari. Here's Roger Yap. Once again. Going up. Off the glass. Ganun talaga.
Roger Yap talaga ang bubutas doon. Well, and UC Pupils taking the upper hand once again.
Ito si Asito Olava, he just hit a basket, a 3-point play, just a play ago. Pero nawala sa kanyang bola, complete the steal to si Roger Yap up ahead. The scoop pass to James Yap, hangs in the air, wala na naman ang kanyang tira.
Ay,
Masyado
sumobra.
malakas. Alapag to carry, drops it off.
Butat na!
Oh,
And guess who did that? Roger Yap.
At ito, bounce pass! Hindi na-anticipate. At nawala pa ang bola. Sayang yung play na yun para sa kanila. And that was a wasted opportunity for Pure Foods para ma-extend ang lamang nila, which stands at 2, 51-49. Harvey Carey. Nakita natin yung defensive intensity ng magkabilang team and talaga nag-pick up na rito sa second half. Jimmy Alapag going in! And just as I say that, the smallest guy on the court, dire-diretso sa basket from the layup.
Siguro nga doon sa halftime break, anong pinaalala ni Coach Derek Kumaran? Well, we're not getting the numbers from Alapag and Taulaba, but here, a good pass, Romel Adukol, showing some quickness, ha?
Nakakailang good pass na itong Pure Food as far as the weak side is concerned, you know?
And
Or
siguro
easy
naman,
layup.
that's the area na gusto ma-address ni Coach Ryan Vigoro. Nakita niya yung stat sheet. 17 assists for token text, only 5 for Pure Foods in the first half action.
Ito, dumadami pa rin ang assist ng Token Tex dahil sa nice pass ni Jimmy Alapag to Asi Taulabas. Asi Taulabas getting going ito sa ating third quarter.
He's revving up, ika nga.
Oo. Roger Yap to James Yap. Quick release. Is good. Para rito kay James Yap.
Mas malapit nga yung 3-point area. So that's a 3-point basket para dito kay James Yap. 2006 most valuable player.
Going baseline, Asi Taulava goes up pero ang ganda nung resistance nitong Pure Foods
Si Romel
CJ Giant.
Adukol, hindi naman yung basta-basta maitutulak si Romel Adukol eh.
Adukol on the good defensive play. Ito naman ang Pure Foods, lamang na nila tatlo. Roger Yap goes over to James Yap who hit one just now, but the drop-off results in nothing. Ngunit ang bola mananatili sa panig ng Pure Foods.
Hervere Mundo falling down, failing to score.